kids, today we will learn school activity and games. So let's get started. Sliding, swinging, running, playing with toys, seesaw, exercise, skipping, tug of war, drawing, painting, music, dancing. Now we will learn the name of common games. Sack race, cycling, football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, basketball, tennis, skating, swimming, archery, baseball, hockey, table tennis, karate, ice hockey. Thank you kids. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.